know who?
She has spices.
She has spices.
I have brahmi actually. I have brahmi chutney. Brahmi.
She has brahmi chutney to spice up her memory. Great. So spices pot, please remember.
We should add that to the book.
Yes, spices pot should add brahmi chutney to its repertoire. Yes, peppercorn. This is Anita Rampal who has identified peppercorns, correct? So a big hand for Anita Rampal. Now the next question, again related to a picture. Do you know what is being done here? Yes?
Cinnamon, it's cinnamon with, it's the bark of the cinnamon tree.
Absolutely correct, it's the bark of the cinnamon tree.
Being stripped.
Yes. And I think
That is the smell.
Uganda mentioned that.
But they differed.
So that's Kolika. Now I don't know whether Kolika cooks, but she knows cinnamon. So can you tell us, Kolika, how you know cinnamon and whether you cook?
Yeah, I enjoy cooking. I enjoy
Wow.
cooking a lot.
You must use some of these spices.
Great, so Kolika's family must be a very happy family to have Kolika cooking for them with using cinnamon, right?
Now you add it.
Okay, now the next question. Again, I'll be back to a verbal question so that you can close your eyes and think. You needn't open your eyes now. It's not a visual one. In which mountain range in India are the Cardamom Hills? Now remember the book reading we had. Asha, no, I won't catch your memory anymore.
Yes. No, Western Ghat, either one.
Cardamom Hill. Annamalai.
Western Ghat.
That's the correct answer. Your name, sir?
Sridhar Balan. Sridhar Balan.
Okay, Sridhar Balan. Please give him a big hand. The Western Ghat. We had a couple of more correct answers here, but anyway. Had correct answers, Kerala. So everybody knows where the Cardamom Hills are. Huh? So Cardamom, I can see from Kolika right down to Urvashi and everybody else, all the youngsters, they know Cardamom very well. Huh? What's wrong with Cardamom? What's up with Cardamom here? Anyway, so I'll move on to the next picture quiz. Again, you have to open your eyes wide and look at the TV screen and try and joggle your memory. Please jog your memory and look at the TV screen for the next question based on the picture. What is this woman doing? You know? No, bamboo isn't a spice. I'm sorry. This is all related to. No, sugarcane is. Sugarcane isn't a spice.
Turmeric. Is it healthy?
No, it's not turmeric.
No? Not healthy.
She has the correct answer again. Asha has the correct answer again. Anita has the correct answer again. Oh, Asha. So Asha is the mistress of spices, I can see. So big hand for Anita. It's cardamom. You remember the special relationship between the cardamom and the woman? So now we know why all the young women are so excited about cardamom and they have all the correct answers for cardamom. Women have a special relationship with the cardamom plant. have a picture with, please look at this picture. And can you identify, please remember something that you heard from the conversation. What is this? Please don't give out the answer. Please don't scream out the answer. Raise your hand.
Ask her. Shia, give it to her.
Really, ma'am? Is the globe Dynamics School Greater Noida?
Last question of this session, and this is again a visual. The last one. What is this flower? Please don't shout out the answer. Yes, it is the saffron. You remember the most beautiful of spices. You and Pauline Ganser think that this is the most beautiful of spices and saffron. But the flower saffron is not saffron, as you can see, it's mauve, but it's spectacular. So we are done with the quiz. Thank you, and I'd ask the audience to come up with questions now. Do you have questions for the... Yes, sir?
I'd like to ask Hugh this question. Hugh regretted the fact that he never wore a garland of clove seeds when he wooed and courted Colleen. That is a regret, source of regret. But is there a possibility that on a later occasion in life, and this is the imaginative use of the clove seed, that perhaps on an evening where there is a possibility that you might have had a drink or one too many at the bar, and has it then used the clove seeds to mask the unmistakable smell on his breath when he came up close to Colleen at home. And would the clove seeds have played another very beneficial role as well? Since you regretted not having done that, but post-courtship and having married Colleen, do you think you put the clove seed to a more imaginative use? Thank you, sir.
Oh, that's a good one.
No,
Yes,
no, I never had that problem at all. Because my inherent charm and my handsomeness doesn't require any stimulus. Yes.
Inherent charm indeed.
And Colleen agrees with that.
It doesn't matter. It's too late. 55 years of marriage is too late.
Oh, they're celebrating 55 years of marriage. A big hand for that as well. Do they really know how to spice it up, huh?
Give me a copy for the book and I can...
Yes, and a lovely question. Lovely question. Any more questions from the audience? Any more questions?
Sarojji's taken up the theme of wedding garb. Colleen wear a cardamom necklace like the Kodagu women. The Kodagu brides wear a cardamom necklace. And in fact, that's even more precious to them than any gold or anything. Did Colleen wear that during the wedding?
No, I'm afraid not. I dressed in the normal Christian white gown.
She didn't need to wear that, because the first time I saw her coming down the aisle, I was so struck. I didn't think of cardamom or cloves or anything else. I just thought of her.
You were spiced off your feet.
I was spiced off my feet.
Yes, there's another question.
Your views on variety is the spice of life. Sorry? What are your views on a very famous saying, variety is the spice of life?
Variety as the spice of life. What is your view on this? You know, there's a common saying, variety is the spice of life. So what is your view regarding this? Variety.
Yeah, double X.
I think it's...
Double on.
No.
Yes. I need to elaborate.
Yeah, no.
It all depends. If you're talking about food, yes. If you're talking about marriage, no. Variety is not the spice of life. I've married the spice of life. I don't need any more variety.
And does Colleen think the same way?
Yes.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Oh, big hand for that as well. Yes.
Well done.
Any more questions? I think we are done. We are spiced up enough and we are all like kept up. So thank you. Thank you for being with us and participating in this lovely session with you and Colleen Ganser. Now you can get your books, the gifts that you got, signed by the authors here, and please visit our Neogi book stall in the same hall. You just walk a few paces and it's 224 to 226, stall number 224 to 226, and you can buy the Spy Story and you can buy many more books and you can get the Spy Story which you buy signed by the authors as well. Thank you so much.
Those who want an interview, give you an interview. Bob at this age, thank you sir and ma'am.
Very nice. Thank you very much. Very
Thank you so much for attending.
Very nice. I must say, very well. Nice. And I told Mr. Neola, no, I know. I have already got an order for 5 more. I just told Mr. Neola, I'm meeting in the evening.
राजू जी
Yes.